Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I have here now on the table two types of bookshelf speaker boxes. They were originally delivered with the mini hi-fi systems, and these are the Philips FB356M, and these are the JVC long type SP-MXKA3 speaker system. But similar, but these are older. They were produced in 90s, late 90s, from the year 1996 up to 1998, and these are from 2002 up to 2005, if I say it correctly, but the dimension, I can say similar, the enclosure also, we can say rather the same, but these Philips were produced in Hungary, in Europe, in Hungary. Why in Hungary? Because in 90s Philips had two huge factories in Hungary, in I don't know Hungarian language, Székesfehérvár or so. I'm sorry for sorry to the Hungarian subscribers, and there were produced a lot of Philips products, audio, and these are made in China. At first, I would like to thank you everybody for watching my previous video with deconstruction of this Philips speaker box. I used a knife and I put down the front plastic plate that you could see all both speakers, also this tweeter, paper cone tweeter. If I don't forget, I put here active link to the full long video with this with deconstruction of this Philips speaker box. I have saved them a pair from a e-commerce cache on in the recycling point near our cottage, so they were totally free, and it's always for me interesting to test or to deconstruct the old speakers. But I have found just now that I have here maybe few years this old JVC speaker box, only one, and I decided to compare them because European production, it should be, I always thought that it should be better quality than Far East China nowadays speaker boxes. Should be or not. Let's evaluate the sound, let's compare the sound, and write me in comments which sound do you prefer, or which box do you prefer regarding the sound. For me it will be also very interesting. Up to now didn't compare it here on the table, but I have connected both of them to my amplifier. I received always questions which type of amplifier I use, and I receive sometimes comments that I have weak amplifier, bad amplifier or so. So here under the table, I don't know if you can see it, is the real professional US amplifier QSC 400, 200 watts per channel, so from late 80s, if I say it correctly. So really not bad amplifier, and as a sound, as a signal from CD player, these are the tracks from the YouTube library only regarding the copyright. And technical data to these speakers, both speakers are 6 ohm. I'm comparing sometimes 4 ohm with 8 ohm or 4 ohm with 15 ohm, but now 6 ohm. Here is the power on the back side on the label, you could see it, 45 watts, and this should be, regarding the info from Mr. Google, about 50 watts. So the power the same, impedance the same, enclosure we can say the same, but here are, you see, there are two speakers, and here bass speaker And that's a question. Midrange speaker and dome tweeter. Midrange cone, paper cone, and dome, dome from Titan, maybe. Sometimes you can see speakers were fake tweeters. We'll see. Three-way or two-way, we'll see. And I will try also to open it with knife like this speaker, because there are no screws, and the only way how to open this box was with knife, but without any damage. So let's switch on CD player, amplifier, mixer, and for example the bass track number 3, the motorbike, from YouTube library only. Left channel, right channel, left channel, so dear friends, what do you say to the sound? Which box do you prefer regarding the sound? Philips from Hungary or JVC from China? I hear a huge sound difference, and I must say, after this short testing, I think and I believe that there are no fake tweeter, that this is a real three-way box. Regarding the high frequencies, they are much more better by this box for my ears. Write me in comments what do you think about this box. Watch my previous video with this Philips. So not damaged. This is the only way how to get inside. Okay. Yeah, 6 plastic sticks and nothing damaged. Only way how to get inside. Let's try it by this box. Never done it by such a JVC, but I hope that because it looks rather similar, that the construction will be the same. So dear friends, impossible without damage. Impossible. Let's try to put in the front this textile grill. Let's try it. Also impossible without damage. So I'm sorry. I don't like to damage it. If you have at home such a speaker box, exactly this type, and if you try to open it, and if you were successful, not like me when it failed just now, write me in comments how to open it. So I'm sorry, deconstruction of the JVC failed. So dear friends, once more the sound, another track. I like this song.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, make you fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up here.
So, dear friends, write me in comments who wins, Philips from Hungary or JVC from China. For me, in this case, wins the China. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos and if you would like to support my channel, you can also join my channel. So, have a nice day.